Hello, everybody. How you're doing today? Is a new week. It's a fresh week, and I hope you're ready to grind and gain from a profitable week. So, it's Fortune with you today from Legend FX, and I'm super excited to bring to you a top-down analysis on Gbpjpy. Well, this is more like a follow-up analysis because we've done previous analysis on Gbpjpy. You can just check our YouTube channel for the previous video on Gbpjpy and how we are projecting to gain up to 1,000 pips profit on Gbpjpy. So this is just going to be a follow-up analysis so you know how price has really played out the previous week. So just to start, what we're seeing here in Gbpjpy is a clear bat pattern, all right? How price went from point X to point A, and of course we have point B at the 0.5 Fibonacci, and of course we have the D leg at 88% Fibonacci. So this is a valid bat pattern, all right? So moving over to the daily time frame, all right, we are bearish on GBPUSD consigning days. So looking at the lower time frame, which is a daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame, let's see what price has really played out between the previous week. So what you have to understand about this trade is a long swing trade, all right? It's a long swing trade. So we have an overall bias on the higher time frame, which is a bearish momentum. Okay, you can see how price is preparing to shift from the bullish momentum to the bearish momentum, because Gbpjpy has been on a strong uptrend for a couple of weeks now. All right, so now it's time for the sellers to come into the market and have a little party. So if you look at the daily time frame, we talked about this on the previous video about this divergence, but I just want to focus on the 4-hour time frame and point out something here because I'm still holding this position from last week. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, this setup here came on Friday, and I took this trade, and I'm currently running, let's say 64 pips on this trade. All right. First of all, we saw price creating a low here. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. Then this candle came all the way down to break below the low of the previous candle, giving us a change of character. Price further came down to break below this structure here, closing below this candle, and that was a break of structure. So when a break of structure happens, we normally look for the other block that caused that break of structure, and this was the other block and the fair value gap here. All right, so set the entry here at this level, and of course price just went about 20 pips against us, but you can see the stop loss was above this swing high here with about 46 pips, and total on this trade I'm aiming for about 200 pips. All right, so this previous week I'll be looking forward to price to continue the push down to this level at 181. So this trade came because the overall bias on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame is bearish. All right, so this is just a follow-up on Gbpjpy because overall we are bearish on Gbpjpy. You can see how the Friday's candle closed, and this is a new week candle running bullish. So let's see if price can continue the bullish momentum to 181 on Gbpjpy. All right, so you can see the candle, you can see the wicks filling up the gas below. So I see price has created enough liquidity to continue that, and I'll be looking forward to that. So thank you so much, guys. If this video was really helpful to you, you can like and subscribe to Legend FX, turn on notifications so you'll be notified when we put up good videos, and of course don't forget to share with your friends. This video is only for educational purpose, and of course I hope you do well with this information. So we're still bearish on Gbpjpy, and let's see how the week plays out. See you next time.